Hello, little boy.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Henry.
Henry. Nice to meet you, Henry. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, teacher.
Very good. Okay, are you sleepy?
No.
No. Are you hungry?
No.
No. Are you sad?
No.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Very good. Give me 5. If you're happy, clap your hands. Very good. Can you point your nose?
Yes.
Point your head. Very good. Point your teacher. Very good. All right.
Teacher ơi, Lê Con nhìn thấy bạn Harry tóc nãy.
I don't know what are you saying. Now, I will show you some cards, okay? And you tell me what's this, okay?
Yes.
All right. There we go. Okay, what's this?
Sing.
Sing. Very nice. This one?
Up, down.
Very good. This one?
Big, small, little.
Very nice. This one?
Tiger.
Tiger. Good. This one?
Family.
Very done. Very well done.
Friend.
Friend. Good job.
Stop, go.
Stop. Go. This one?
Circle, line.
Very nice. This one?
Yes, no.
Good job.
Over, under.
Very nice. This one?
Fast, slow.
Oh, wow.
Teacher.
Teacher. Who is your teacher? Very good.
Come, go.
Well done.
Tall, short.
Short. Good.
Sing.
Very nice. Sing. Okay. Do you like to sing songs?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Can you please sing this song?
Hello.
Hello.
My friend, what is your name? What is your name? I am Pete. I have a friend. His name is Artie. His name is Artie. I like him. I have a friend. His name is Tanya. Her name is Tanya. I like her.
I like her. Her name is Tonya. Okay. Can you please tell me what's his name?
Pete.
Say his name is
Diddy.
Pete.
Diddy.
Say
Pete.
his name is Pete.
Pete.
Okay. What's his name?
His name is Artie.
Good job. What's her name?
His name.
Her. What's her name?
Her name is Tanya.
Okay. Very good. And what's her name?
Her name is Linda.
Oh no, she's not Linda. Her name is Didi. Okay. Do you have a friend?
Yes.
What's her name? What's your friend's name? What's the name of your friend?
Her name is Henry.
I know. That's your name. Okay. Now, boys, little Henry, can you please look here? Can you please tell me what's the name of the store?
Little K, one sock.
Good job.
Little S, one sock.
Good job.
Little Z, one sock.
Good job.
Little D, one sock.
Good job.
Little M, one sock.
Very nice. Okay, very good. Yeah. All right. So now let's move on. Now please make the sound and then read. Okay.
Monkey. Animal.
Good job. Animals. This one.
Zebra.
Very good. All right. Okay. Can you please read this poem, please? There we go.
Zoo. I like the animal. At the zoo, I like the zebra and the kangaroo.
Very nice. Can you point Z sound Where is
Yes.
z sound? Okay, point. Z, z, z. Very good. Where is k sound? K, k. Very good. K. Very nice. Where is sound? Very good. Animals. Do you like animals?
Yes.
Okay. What animals do you like?
I like the zebra and the kangaroo.
You like the zebra and the kangaroo?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Okay, Henry, there we go. Here, I love them all. Can you sing, please?
Yes.
Okay, go.
This is my father, this is my mother, this is my brother Tom, this is my sister, this is a baby. Oh, how I love them.
Very good. Who is this?
Baby,
This is the baby. And who is this?
a brother,
Brother. This one? Who is this?
father,
This is father. Who is this?
mother.
This is mother.
Brother
Very nice.
Tom.
Okay. Now, do you like to read stories?
Yes.
All right. Okay. So now we have a story. What do you see? Okay. Can you say?
What should you see?
Good job. Go.
I see a panda. A panda. See a bear. A bear is jumping on a rock.
Very good. The bear is jumping over a rock.
I see a bear. A bear see a gorilla. The gorilla is swinging in a tree.
Good job.
I see a gorilla. A gorilla see a bird. A bird is fly in the sky. I see a bird. A bird see a tiger. A tiger is running in the grass.
Good.
I see a tiger. A tiger see a snake. A snake is sliding down the tree. I see a snake. A snake see a girl. A girl is sitting on a rock. Little girl, what should you see? I see a girl looking at me.
I see a girl looking back at me.
The end.
Okay, now Henry, look here, okay? Here. I see a panda. The panda sees. Look here. The panda
See
sees
a bear.
a bear. Very good. The bear is jumping over a rock. Now, please tell me, what is the bird doing? What is bird doing?
The bird is flying in the sky.
Very nice. The bird is flying in the sky. What is tiger doing?
The tiger is running in the grass.
The tiger is running in the grass. Very good. All right. Okay. So now, can you please tell me, what do you see?
Yes,
Yeah. What do you see?
I see
Look at me.
a panda.
Here. Look at teacher. What do you see? I see Henry.
I see Heidi.
Henry sees teacher. Very good. All right. Now, Henry, can you please tell me how many noses do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many noses do you have? Huh? How many noses do you have, Henry?
Have one nose.
I have
One
one nose.
nose and one head.
Very good. I have one nose, one mouth, and one head. Very good. Now let's sing song. I have
One nose, one mouth, one nose and one head. I sleep in one house and one room and one bed. One father, one mother, we have one baby, my sister, one brother, and me. I love Ben, and Ben loved me, and we are the family.
Very good. Henry, can you please tell me
ABC sound.
who do you have in your family? Sit down, please. Who do you have in your family? Huh?
One father.
Okay,
One mother. We have one baby. My sister. One brother. And me.
Very good. Okay. Now let's sing ABC.
Hello.
A B C D.
D E F G S I J K L M N O P Q I S T U V W X Y Z. Now we know our ABC. Can we sing then once more, Lee?
Once more, please. Very good. Okay. Now point letter F. Letter F. Where's letter F? Friend. Very good. Where is letter M? Very nice. Where is letter K? Cake. Very good. Where is letter Z? Z. Very well done. Give me 5. Alright, now we have one last thing to sing, okay? Goodbye song. Can you sing, please? Sorry. Go.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. I had a very good day.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Be careful on your way. Very well done. Give it to me. Well, give me 10. Great. Give me 10. Yay! Once more. Yay! Here. Very well done. Okay, you have done a really good job, and I'm so proud of you, Henry. And it's time for us to say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, teacher. See you
Goodbye,
again.
teacher.
Goodbye.